Another important update we got today from the territory of United Kingdom. Very interesting article was published today. So according to information we have, United Kingdom announced successful testing of microwave weapons that may be used in Ukraine. Rapid Destroyer is designed to destroy drones. London says that 2 groups of 8 drones were neutralized during the test, and more than 100 drones have already been destroyed during the test. The system was developed by a consortium led by the French defense conglomerate Thales. The new product is transported in the back of a truck and requires lots of energy. It is noted that in the future the weapon may be used in Ukraine, so most likely this weapon will be used in Ukraine.